Today we're at sea. Right now is kind of calm, but last night and today's morning was crazy rocky. I was sleeping so good, and actually I wake up for going to parade, and they postponed parade because it was that rocky. And I heard all night how the waves was crashing on the ship. As I already say, I sleep so good when it's rocky. It feels like you're in a train. Parade was postponed for another day, but right now the sea calmed down so much. I think we just went through the part where it was rocky and now it's kind of okay. So hopefully we're gonna have tonight our shows. Actually, I was couples day of the show off duty because I had massive eye infection. My eyes was so swollen and I just couldn't do shows. Now I feel so much better. I'm taking some antibiotics. As you see, my eyes looks kind of okay already. And I had the chance to watch the show because I wasn't in the show, and I was just in shock how good is my cast. Everybody was so amazing. I was sitting with a huge smile on my face the whole time. It was just so good, and I was happy to watch the show, but at the same time, the second that the show started, I was like, I want to be on stage. Why I'm here? But I really think that as a performer and an athlete, it's really hard to stop yourself from just keep going and keep pushing. You just want to do shows no matter what, but sometimes you need to take care of yourself. You need to take care of your health. Nobody else will take care of you except you. Sometimes you just need to take care of yourself, take a break, get better, and come back to shows. It was really cool to see the show because usually we're arriving to a ship and we can see all the cast doing this show, so you can actually see the show that you're going to do. But this time, because we're first cast and because I wasn't on rehearsals, I didn't see dance parts, I didn't see diving parts, like nothing. Some parts here and there, but not like in the show, full show. And it was my first time watching it, and it was just so good. And I'm so proud to be part of that team. Of course, I almost cried when I was watching the show because I'm a really emotional person, and it's really moving watch the work that you're usually doing from the side. From the side of performing is like, of course, we're sometimes tired, sometimes we don't want to do shows. Like, it's like any other job. You don't want to do your job every day. Sometimes you're tired or sick or something else. And it was really cool to see it from the audience perspective, and I cannot wait to come back and actually do a show. I think tonight we will not have any rockiness. I don't feel ship moving at all, actually. Let's go, do warm up, prepare, and do show.
Miss Lera. missed her last show day.
I was happy to be in audience, but at the same time I was sad.
Yeah. Those eyes looking better though. Yeah, they're clear. Hey Lera. You're amazing. Love you. Keep up the good work with the vlogs. Keep up the good work with your synchro coordinating biz. You're a diva.
Oh yeah. It's not as bad as it was.
No fair, they're songs.
Please bring 3 of the reserve signs. Signs.
What is that? What is that?
These are some of the
3
best
of the reserve signs.
Yeah.
ever.
Wee!
Perfect.
Which color should I try?
The
Thank you, Lucky.
Thank you.
Oh my god, thanks, Lucky.
Only because what? Because you love us?
And the good what?
Thank you, Lucky.
Thanks, Lucky.
I can fix it now.
Yeah.
you sure?
Yeah. Give me. Okay.
Bring both?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Now all the boys that is coming, they need to bring something.
Yeah.
If anybody asks, Lera, give you permission.
Well, my synchro coordinator told me. I'm gonna ask to try and get it.
Didn't cook 12?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, they're in the bottom.
Thank you. Thank you, mommy.
Thanks, mommy.
Mommy.
Yeah. It didn't spin yet. Просто стой на борту, типа, оставайся на борту. Они придут.
Nana! You can do it. Let's go! Woo! Woo! Oh, I'm so happy to be back!
Yeah,
Have a good one, girls!
After the Aqua Show.
Beautiful! So beautiful! Hi, Lera's vlog.
Can you tap down the ice for me?
I shaved my head. This is Hunter's drink bottle.
Let's have a good Backstage show, hey!
And show track is rolling. Have a good show, everybody. Peace.
We finished our first show. I was so happy to come back. I was out just 2 days, but it felt like I was out for 2 weeks. I'm thinking what to do tomorrow, because tomorrow we have La Spezia. I don't know where to go. Someone from theater took a picture of the show. I'm watching the photos and I'm hoping that there is something good, because I don't have any pictures of the show. I look so funny in all the pictures. I can't. The show felt easy and hard at the same time. I was feeling like I'm well rested, but I'm also dying. I don't know how you can feel it at the same time. Yeah, we have one more for today, and tomorrow in the morning we have drill, all crew drill. I'm so happy that the sea calms down and it's actually not rocky at all. I still can't believe it. In the morning it was insanely rocky and now it's fine. I just posted my birthday vlog and I need to edit next one already, so I'm probably gonna edit for a little bit and I need to come back to Aqua for second show.
I just want to make Lera and John work a little bit.
We did it! show night is over. It was really good. 2 shows. I was so happy to be back, to be with the cast. It's crazy that I was just a couple days out, but I already missed that so much. I know when this chapter of my life performing on a cruise ship is gonna be over, I will be missing this a lot. We'll see how my eye is gonna be tomorrow. I really hope it's gonna be good and infection will not come back, because that was not fun at all. I think I will take a shower and I'm gonna go to eat in the mess probably with the guys. I'm trying not to rub my eyes as much as possible. I really don't want an infection again. What I'm doing is not good. My fun?
Huh?
How was your show?
It's okay, it's okay. I'm feeling tired, but good, yeah.
Chicken! Chicken! Oi, oi, oi! Can you put me a
Lera,
chicken?
can you put me some chicken on? I can get it later.
Curious way. And Amy. Where are you sitting? When I made the pictures for you there.
Somebody come get it.
Wow, there is a lot of pizza.
Oh, really?
I think so. But go get girls, this is like a
Also, I'm anti-potato.
More, they can't get any more.
Pero esa paella, pues no sé si
Si quieres,
así.
generoso, la verdad que ya mucho para sentar.
Ya de verdad saca.
Cuidado, my choice here.
Comiendo en el meco, Lera. Tarasoa. De la cámara, cuando no. Ah, ¿qué decís? No, porque.
I didn't hear what they was talking about.
¿Por qué se? Porque recién yo le estaba diciendo, che, tenés que tener vita en sí, no, es amazing. Yo creo, ay, quizá no hizo la.
The hat's on. We take everything else off.
Good morning. It's a drill time. I didn't sleep much, but I actually feel not so bad. Still don't know go out in Spezia or not. I don't know. I just don't want to go today to a beach probably because of my eyes. I still want to be careful about it. I don't know. Maybe go to eat something. I think we're already going to all-you-can-eat sushi for like almost every other week. Oh. And I forgot to mention that yesterday for me was 100 shows. The team celebrated that a couple days ago when I was off with champagne and cake, but for me, because I was off, the 100 shows was yesterday. Happy 100 show.
Very good morning all.
We can watch one episode or 2 episodes. Download the first.
There is 2 more episodes of Dan.
Forever young, I wanna be forever young.
Sir. DeepSeek and ChatGPT.
Bowl was 202? I don't know. It looks like they're the same.
No, Super Bowl one.
I think I want.
Ah, sei un po' fermo? Ok. Nico say that
Oh, she's doing good. Today is a lazy day and eating a lot. We eat sushi, we eat gelato, now bubble tea.
it's so much plastic. Okay.
Mine is like a slush. Good.
No, because actually, this one is not that sweet as I thought.
Poll is Newport 40%. Leslie Pitt. The election is in 2 weeks. Debate is 4 feet. Exact same size as the podium.
I love this town, and I've worked my whole
Life is gone. I care about things.
Yes, I do.
Mario went to hang out with his friends and I decided to stay. I don't know what's happening with me today, but I feel so tired. Usually I feel like that the day after the show night if I'm not sleeping well. And because in the morning we had drill, we sleep like maybe 5-6 hours. So yeah, probably I just didn't rest well after shows, so that's why I was all day like that. A lot of people from my cast went to Monterosso and it's really beautiful and I love this place, but I knew that I will not able to walk there. I will not able to do that. I decided to just go to eat and Mario was like, okay, I will go with you. And we went to all you can eat sushi. As always, it was so good. When we're gonna cross, I will miss all you can eat sushi so much. In general, La Spezia is amazing port. Like you can do so many things. You can go to so many beautiful places. Or if you want to chill, you can just go to all you can eat sushi or eat gelato. Everything is really close. You don't need to take expensive bus to the city. It's like a free bus from terminal to the city, and it's just my favorite port. And Naples also, but Naples a little bit dirty. La Spezia is really clean. After sushi we went to eat gelato, walk a little bit. Mario wanted to watch some stories, the toys and the cards, so we walk anyway kind of all day, but still it wasn't that bad. And then we took a bubble tea. All my favorite things: sushi, bubble tea, gelato. So good. Yeah, I feel kind of mentally rested, but physically not so much. I think I need to sleep. And I wanted to read for some time because I'm kind of in a reading slump. I just can't put myself to read, even though I really want. I try to read few books, but it's just not catching my attention. So in my free time, I'm just spending too much time in TikTok or editing videos. And I think neither of those things actually relaxing my brain. So I need to just start reading whatever. Maybe like 5 more minutes of edit and then I will go to read. Every time I'm editing our show, I'm just like, this show is so good. I mean, honestly, I love all the shows that I did on ships. The shows in China, not counting for sure. But the shows on the ship, like almost all, when I had a chance to watch this show, Aqua 82, a couple of days ago, when I was off, I sit in the audience with a face like this. all 2 shows. I was like, I cannot believe how good it is. And our team is so strong, like for real. Our dancers, like every time I'm watching the footage of them dancing or watching them dancing, I'm just like, how they even doing that? How they giving so much energy? For synchros, it's a little bit different because we're all the time upside down, like all the time. I cannot hear anything. And when my goggles is foggy, sometimes I'm like in my bubble. I cannot even see the synchros that is in the water with me, let alone the audience. There is a little moments when I actually can hear and see the audience, but it's so small, so there is no exchange of the energy with the audience. So I'm just doing my show, and honestly for me it feels like a tech run because I cannot hear and see the audience. Only in finale, when we're dancing in finale, I actually see the audience. I'm running, giving the high fives. At that moment, I feel so much adrenaline. I'm feeling like, wow, this is amazing. I see that the people like it. It's really cool feeling that. But I'm feeling that only at the end of the show. During the whole show, I'm just going with my energy. There is no extra energy from the audience. I don't know if you understand what I mean, but like I'm really jealous of the dancers that can exchange that energy all the time. Like you're smiling, you're like playing with the audience and they're like clapping or like smiling you back. It is a fuel for making a show. No, our dancers and the divers and synchro, everybody's so good. I was just watching that. I was like, I cannot believe that I'm part of that, and I'm also sharing the stage with such a talented people. And I think I was really lucky through all these years. In my other ships, I also had such a talented dancers, divers, synchros, acrobats. I remember in my first contract we had one acrobat that was also professional juggler, and he was teaching all of us how to juggle. Then in another contracts we was learning how to do aerial, how to dive. It's so cool to exchange all that experience and skills. It's just such a cool environment, and I really wish all the athletes who can go to work on ships and participate in shows to do that, because it's so different from being a professional athlete and being a performer. It's like you actually enjoy what you're doing. You're showing your skills, you're making good money, and you're sharing a space with so talented people. I'm so grateful for this opportunity in my life. I think this year is about being grateful. I'm all the time like reminding myself about everything. How cool it will be after 20 years watch these videos and I don't know, showing that to my grandkids maybe and seeing, oh look, yeah, that was me. That was me doing the Aqua Show in the ships. At that time it was the biggest ships in the world.